Guess who came to visit us?
Well,
it's
good
the
morning.
insane chef.
How y'all are?
That's one of my favorite chefs. He's crazy, but he's fun.
And I brought some gifts. Some pork ribs and some spice ribs.
Oh,
For
yeah.
everybody.
Sounds great. All right. We'll see y'all in a bit.
And I forgot my towboat.
It's fun.
Look at all this food.
I can't even remember my own. That looks like salad with shrimp.
We got Dutch oven lasagna, stuffed mushrooms. These are my ribs.
Oh, those are your ribs?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Oh, yes.
Wait a minute, I got thing here. This is the peanut butter and jelly barbecue smoked country style ribs.
Well, I will try some of those.
All right, Neil. And Neil helped contribute to the ribs. He's from No Legs, No Problem TV.
I contributed because I didn't bring food. And Saucy said that she made awesome ribs, so I contributed. I helped out Saucy. So I helped.
And you helped. That's good.
What was that? Not Bisquick, it was shake and bake.
Yeah, there we go.
And I helped.
Yeah. Oops, sorry, sweetie.
Mexican married a Cajun.
Look.
So we got a little bit of taste and flair.
Look at all this food.
Yeah, there's
No, these are meatballs.
I'm just doing pictures of the food.
Don't blame you.
All right.
$100 for the winner. And the other half of it goes to the American Diabetes Association in memory of my son. Okay? And if you want tickets, get them from Vicky or me. They're $1 a piece, and if you get $5, you get 6 tickets.
That's ribs.
And then after we get through eating, we're doing the drawing.
Anyway, it's gotten white. It's good. It's got an interesting end.
Sassy, the rowboat chef.
That's great.
Here comes the other half. Get some grub, eventually.
I haven't gone over there yet. Yes, I got a sticker.
I didn't have a big enough plate. I still ain't done. I got desserts.
Strawberry?
Don't they all look good?
Maybe a little later and my plate full.
I went over to tell my mother
Well, we just got done eating here at Lolapalooza 2019 of everybody's food that was prepared. Oh my word, I'm stuffed to the gills. Diets, I don't believe in diets this week, especially this weekend. It was fantastic. Lola from Lost on Land again. I swear you need to do this again next year. Blind Views, thank you again. Stay lost, my friends, is Lola saying. And look at all of us now just enjoying each other's company. And we're just having a blast. Got live music from Badge down here. And we're going to be having disco night or dancing night here soon. We've got one more event to do, and then we'll be done with all the events for today. This is Saturday. We still have some more events tomorrow on Sunday. All right, be back later. And I tell you right now, I'm going to enjoy the evening.
His mama told him someday